Hey, what's going on, guys? Tasche here, and welcome to my Stealth Commissions review. Now, in this video, I'll be doing a review of Stealth Commissions, which is a brand new course from Ben Martin, which is going to show you how to make money using YouTube as your main traffic source. Now, this is not just another one of those YouTube affiliate marketing courses that's going to show you how to do launch jacking with YouTube by basically making product review videos and taking advantage of all the traffic from brand new product launches. Although you can still use the lessons you're going to learn in the course for that, that's not what it's really all about. Stealth Commission is about learning how to make and rank your videos using the right keywords and how to build, customize, and develop your channel to establish you as an expert in your niche. And it's not just about affiliate marketing. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're an affiliate marketer, that's fine. Maybe you have your own product, you have an e-commerce store, or even if you're just looking to get traffic to your blog or whatever it is, the lessons in the course will work for anything no matter what you're doing. And it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or an advanced marketer, because even though in the course Ben's going to take you from ground zero, as if you've never been on YouTube before in your life, how to build a channel on YouTube from scratch, from ground zero. Or if you already have an established channel you already have a YouTube following, the lessons will work either way. Okay, you're going to find a lot of golden nuggets whether you're a beginner or you're an advanced marketer. In fact, I've had my channel for many years, and I've learned a lot of things in this course as I've been going through it that have helped me to get better rankings and also to get more subscribers on a regular basis. So again, beginner, advanced, doesn't matter, or right in the middle, it's going to work for you no matter what. So in this video, we're going to go over the sales page. We're going to just do this quick scan of the sales page, and then we're going to we're going to go into the members area, take a tour. Then we're going to talk about the front end product and the OTOs, and then I'm going to let you know how you can learn about my bonus package that you're going to be getting when you pick up your copy of Stealth Commissions through my link. In fact, the bonus package right now, as it stands, is worth a little over $34,000. So make sure you stick around for that part so you can learn how to access those bonuses. So here we are on the sales page, and one thing that I like to look at on a sales page, I really want to see that it describes the product you're going to get, to a T. I don't like any surprises. I hate what we call blind sales copy. In fact, a few years ago, actually many years, a little more than that, several years ago in the IM niche, we used to have a lot of products that came out with what we call blind sales pages, where you would learn the benefits of the product they would tell you, and a couple of other things, but you never really knew what it was. And then when you bought the product, it was a piece of crap, just a bunch of garbage. So I like to see that the product sales page describes the product very well, and Ben does a great job describing his product, his course in the sales page. Also, I like to see video, because nowadays most people like to learn things through video. It's easier to absorb the information. Although some people still like to read sales pages, I myself, along with a lot of other people, prefer to watch video to learn about products. And Ben has a great video right here telling you exactly what his product's about. I also like to see a few other things. I like to learn about the person behind the product. I like to learn their story, and you'll learn about Ben's story here on the sales page. I also like to see testimonials, which you'll see here. And I also like to see that the person or people behind the product is going to stand behind it. What I mean by that is that I want to see that they offer a money-back guarantee, okay? Because even though you can't guarantee results with the product, because it's 100% up to you, no matter what course or product you buy, the results you get is all based upon your actions. I like to see that you can actually, even though you can't guarantee results, you can guarantee satisfaction, okay? And with this course, Ben is offering a money-back guarantee. He's offering a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not happy with it for no matter what reason, just let him know and you get your money back, no questions asked, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into the members area, and then we'll take a little tour of what was included, and then we'll talk about the front-end product and the OTOs, and then I'll show you how you can learn about those bonuses, okay? So here we are in the members area, and once you log in, watch Ben's video right here, and then there's a few steps here you can actually learn about how to get some additional training, okay? This is going to help you. But to get to the main course, the main Stealth Commissions course, you're just going to click on the training tab right here. And be sure to watch Ben's video right here. You can download this PDF that's going to give you more of a blueprint of what to do, of how the course is laid out. And then we have 9 modules plus a bonus module. And each module has 1 or more videos inside it that's going to cover that topic, because some modules may require that it be broken down a little bit further. So first is about long tail keywords. Then you got activating your channel. You're going to learn how to customize your YouTube channel. Digging for long tail gold. That's basically where Ben shows you how to dig deep and find those real gold nugget keywords for your niche. It's going to help you get those good rankings and all those good commissions coming from the YouTube traffic. You're going to learn about how to create your very first video. You're going to learn about video intros and outros, on-page and off-page SEO. Then Ben wraps it up in Module 9, and then he's got bonus modules right here for additional training. Okay. So what you're going to learn in Stealth Commissions is, again, it's not just about learning how to do affiliate marketing and how to get commissions as an affiliate. It's all about, really about building and developing yourself as an expert on YouTube in your niche, okay? You've got a lot of experts on YouTube in various niches, okay? And what really separates people, the established experts from the beginners or those who don't really pay attention to what they're doing, is the fact that they're doing certain things. And you're going to learn those things in this course, okay? So let's go ahead and talk about the front-end product and the OTOs, because like any other product launch in the IM space, Stealth Commissions is going to come with a set of upgrade options that you can use to enhance your purchase, enhance your experience with the product, okay? So the front-end product is, of course, the Stealth Commissions video training course and the matching PDF, which you saw in the members area. It's $9.95, okay? You're going to get everything, the whole front-end course. And it comes with a step-by-step videos revealing Ben's entire method. You're going to get the matching PDF. You're going to watch Ben set up and build a channel from scratch to profit. You're going to learn all his keyword research softwares, all the stuff he uses to research keywords, all the software he uses. You're going to learn about those. And then you're going to get a ranking checklist, including all the do's and don'ts of YouTube. So basically, you're going to learn what to do and what not to do when it comes to ranking your videos on YouTube, because some people will teach you different things that, they may actually get your videos, removed, or may actually get your channel banned, or, you want to make sure you're doing the right things to keep your channel for many years to come, okay, and keep those videos ranked for a long time. So the first OTO then is the Stealth Traffic Package, and that's going to be $27, and that is a secret list of keywords that Ben has already researched and previously ranked, which are proven to get traffic and money. Okay, so these are things that have already been established. It's been proven to work. Guaranteed approval to promote all 5 of Ben's JVZoo products, which have generated a total of $222,945.38 in commissions for JV partners. Okay, so you're going to be able to take products that Ben has created that have already proven as great sellers, and you're going to get automatic approval to be able to sell those. So you can use your lessons you're learning in Stealth Commissions to sell those products and make those commissions. Again, automatic approval for those products. You're getting instant commissions for all 5 of those products. Okay, so not only are you going to get automatic approval, you're going to be able to earn instant commissions. So you won't have to wait 30 days for to get your commissions. You're going to get them instantly as soon as the person buys it. As soon as the customer buys a product, you're going to get those commissions right away in your PayPal account automatically. You're going to get a selection of bonuses that Ben has created that you can give away as an incentive to get people to buy through your links. Okay, so you will need, one of the best ways to get people to buy through you as an affiliate is to offer a great bonus package. And Ben's offering, he's got bonuses that he's created that he's going to allow you to use as incentives to sell products as an affiliate to get people to buy through you. And it doesn't matter if you're selling Ben's products or your own products or another vendor's products, you'll still be able to use these as bonuses. and you're going to get 30 days of email screenshot consultancy where Ben will answer one question per day via email and help you with any challenges in your business. Okay, that's very valuable right there. Ben is a very well respected, established, very successful affiliate marketer and internet marketer, and having this 30 days of email consultancy is going to really help push your business to the next level. Finally, the second OTO is the Stealth Commission Kit, and that's going to be $47. And this is a top secret method that Ben is personally using to rank on the first page of Google quickly for keywords that actually make money. Okay, this method complements the front end offer by giving your video rankings a boost on YouTube as well. Okay, you're going to get over-the-shoulder case study guide, and you're going to get an over-the-shoulder case study guide of Ben using the method to rank on Google. You'll get to see exactly how he does it, including the keywords he uses, and where he sends people once they find his content. Okay, and then it's going to include the video headline debrief. It's a bonus video where Ben shares how to come up with video titles which grab people's attention and compels them to click, watch, and buy. Okay, so you guys are getting all that. This, of course, what's going in the front end product, and then you're going to get access to, of course, you have the option to pick up those OTOs as well. But everything that you need to rank on YouTube and build your channel, you'll get all of that in the front end product. Okay, the OTO 1 and 2 are going to enhance what you learn in the course. It's going to really help turbocharge your results. So you make sure you check those out as well, and really consider picking those up. Now, as far as the bonuses go, the bonuses are going to be available. First of all, before I get to that, the product is launching April 10th, 2018 at 10 a.m. Eastern, and it's closing out at 11:59 p.m. on the 15th of April. So that during that time, you're going to be able to get the product at the best possible price, which is $9.95. Okay. Once the launch is over with, the product may go up in price. Okay, we're not sure yet. Also, the bonus you're going to be getting, which you can actually learn about when you click the Buy Now button on this review page. If you're on my review, on my blog, you can actually click that button on the page, and it's going to take you to the sales page. Now, if you're on YouTube watching this, there's going to be a link there'll be a link inside the description where you can actually click that and go to the product sales page. On that sales page, you've got to see a small little video window, like a little box on the left-hand side. Okay, and it's going to be a video of me talking about the product, and it's also going to be a little button on that window as well. It's going to take you to my bonus page. Okay, you learn all about all the bonuses you're going to be getting on that bonus page. Okay, so instead of taking time to go through them all in this video, I decided instead to build the bonus page and then show you. Then you can actually access that bonus page through the sales page. Okay, and like I said, right now the actual bonuses are currently worth over $34,000, and I may be adding more to it as time goes on before the product launches. But at the current time, $34,000 in bonuses for a $9.95 product. Okay, so you're getting a lot of value, not just in the course itself, but also in the bonus you're going to be getting as well. So guys, with that, I want to thank you very much for watching. Again, remember the product is launching April 10th, 2018 at 10 a.m. EST. It's closing out on April 15th at 11:59 p.m. EST. Make sure you grab your copy within that time frame to get the best price and to secure your bonuses as well. So guys, thanks again for watching. I look forward to talking with you all in the next video. See you soon. Bye.